Today I'm making a chocolate pudding candy pie. First I'm going to make the crust, so in a bowl I have 1 sleeve of crushed up graham crackers. Next I'm going to add 1/4 cup of light brown sugar, then add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Next mix that up until it's combined. Next add the graham cracker mixture into a greased pie pan and press it in, and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. Next I'm going to make the filling for the pie, so in a bowl I'm going to add 1 packet of instant chocolate pudding mix, the family size. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of milk and mix that up until it's combined. Then I'm going to add 2 cups of softened chocolate ice cream. Next mix that up until it's combined and then put this in the fridge for later. Next I'm going to make the whipped cream, so in a bowl I have 1 cup of heavy cream, and then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to mix that up until stiff peaks form. Now I have the filling. I'm going to add half of the whipped cream that I just made into the pudding. Then I'm going to add 8 of these mini KitKats that I chopped up, and then I'm going to fold everything in. Now I have the cooled pie crust. I'm going to add the filling into the pie crust and spread it out. Then I'm going to add the rest of the whipped cream and spread that out. Lastly, I'm going to add some chocolate sprinkles. Here's an up close look at the chocolate pudding candy pie.